Now, how to overcome this one? Okay. Now, here is this time management. I have talked some bits about it. You see, you have in total 180 minutes. Okay. And you have 100 marks to attempt. Okay. So how much time do you have? You have 180 minutes, the golden rule. Okay. So you have 1.8 minutes, 180 minutes in total, and 1.8 minute per mark. Okay. So this is so important because if you do not manage the time properly, you might not attempt the whole section C. And not attempting the whole section C means that you have only attempted 60%. Okay. And then if you have only attempted 60%, then you're trying to get your pass 50% from the 60% attempted. So you make yourself in a very difficult situation. Okay. So the time management is critical, making sure that you attempt the whole 100 marks. You have the 180 minutes, utilize those 180 minutes properly and plan. Okay. So, and the other thing, what is the quick win here? Make sure that you attempt section A and section B first. Okay. Because when you go for section C first, you tend to put yourself in a tricky area and you might waste a lot of time for that. So when you do so, what is going to happen? You will not be able to attempt the section A and B. Section A and B are MCQs. They will not take a lot of time. Okay. So you can quickly attempt the 60 marks. Then you're only left with 40 marks. Okay. So this time management, this strategy is the best. Okay. So manage your time to attempt the 100% exam. This is so important. A lot of students that do not achieve the pass mark, when you ask them, they say, I couldn't manage the time. That was the main problem. So it is very important that first of all, make sure that you attempt the 100% marks. Then if you have done, then it is easiest to secure your 50%. Okay. So, and the best way is to go for section A and section B first, and then you go for the section C. Okay. So I hope this bit of discussion is important and you have understood it well. Okay. I hope you understand the logic behind it, because time management is so important. You might know a lot of stuff, but if you haven't attempted the paper, it's of no use. How will the marker know that you are a very good student? You have done so much practice. Okay. So making sure managing time properly, finishing things in time, securing your 50% is the first goal. Then obviously you can go for securing high marks. So this is very important. That's why I have dedicated some time to it. So if I move on to the next one.